All right, so what we're going to do today is we've got two different files. We have a polyline file and a polygon file, an area file and a line file. And what we need to do is we need to take this polygon file and match the earthwork to the seawall that's outlined right here. So how we're going to do that is this. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we better see. And we're going to go into an editing session. Wait a second. There we go. All right. And we're going to select the earthwork. Edit vertices. Pretty much just bring the points out to match. Now we're going to go over to the ArcScene side and see if the changes have been taken up. So as you can see, the earthwork has been realigned against the seawall. All right, so this is how we manipulate the files in between ArcMap and ArcScene.